Did you know that one Roblox player became a digital superhero after scammers stole his little brother's account? This is the incredible true story of how he fought back. When 8-year-old Tommy lost his Roblox account to fake free Robux scammers, his older brother Jake refused to let it slide. Jake was no ordinary player though. He knew how to code and understood how these criminals worked. Jake created fake accounts and pretended to be a victim. He slowly gained the scammers' trust and got invited to their secret Discord servers. What he found shocked him. This wasn't just a few kids stealing accounts. It was a massive crime ring stealing thousands of accounts from children every day. The leader was actually a former Roblox developer who knew all the security tricks. They were making so much money that they started funding real-world crimes too. Everything came to a head when the gang tried to steal a famous YouTuber's $50,000 account. Jake had to stop them without blowing his cover. He secretly contacted the police and helped them catch the entire criminal organization. Sometimes heroes come from the most unexpected places.